Hello, friends. Today we will talk of uh, Elliott wave, how Elliott wave affects the traders' psychology, or how traders' psychology affects the Elliott wave. Friends, Elliott wave was first proposed by Elliott wave was first proposed by Ralph Nelson Elliott in 1930. Now, Ralph Nelson Elliott said that millions and millions of traders behave identically while trading, known as psychology of traders. According to Ralph Nelson Elliott, the Elliott wave theory was first, small amount of traders will come to buy one stock, let us say A. Then what will happen is there will be a little fall. After that, what happens is lot many traders will come to buy it, because now the stock has come into focus. Lot of people will buy lot of stock, lot of buyers will be there. There will be again a fall. Finally, some people will come and buy. Here actually what happens is the buyers think that price from here to here actually has gone very high. It is not worth buying. So the price of the share actually falls. Again it goes up a little and it falls. This pattern is time and again repeated. Fine. So he called this as wave 1. Elliott called this wave, falling wave, as number 2. Largest wave he called as wave 3. Then another small fall, wave 4. And this is wave 5. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, wave 1 to 5 are known as impulsive waves. And this was falling was A, B and C. And A, B, C were known as corrective waves. After reaching here, the traders will take a view whether the stock price will go up or the stock price will fall. Supposing the share actually is very good, then what will happen is another wave will be formed. So this is again will be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is A, B or C. If the traders think that after having fall to this level, it has become attractive, they will again purchase in the same fashion. And suppose the traders think that the price is still very high, then what will happen is it will fall like this. This will be wave 1, this will be wave 2, this will be wave 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be A, B and C in the reverse direction. So in the uptrend, the wave will be like this, and in the downtrend, the wave will be like this. But the psychology of the traders, which was in 1930 established, that holds good even till now. Friends, this Nelson Elliott, he died in the year 1948. After 1948, the financial analysts and traders and other people kept using it for another about 20, 25, 30 years. After that, somebody came, he improvised on this, which was better. Somewhere in about 80s, better technical analysis tools had come, which were too far better than this. Hence, the Elliott wave for the purpose of understanding was absolutely okay. It is okay even till now. We are discussing today. But for the purpose of trading, no. Today, much better, easier, simpler technical analysis tools are available which will give you higher profits. Fine. But yes, as far as the basis is concerned, this holds good even till now. So friends, very simple. If I were to repeat it, I will say that in 1930, Elliott was a US accountant. He gave the concept of crowd psychology, crowd traders who were buying and selling. And this was the pattern, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B and C. Fine. This was known as Elliott wave. And this theory holds good even till now. But as far as the trading with it is concerned, I think nobody in the world is doing trading with this. Elliott wave hold good for 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, 100 years. There is no change in the trader's mindset. There is no change in the trader's psychology. It holds still good. But the trading tools have vastly improved. This is what I want to say. Friends, this is all about the Elliott wave. Though a lot of theories have been written, huge theories, well, the crux is only this. So you deal with any US stocks, whether it is Microsoft stocks or XYZ, any stock of US or any market in the world, this actually holds very good. Fine? So take it from me. Next Friday again we will be here with one more chapter. Thank you very much and have a nice day.